Good morning, dear student. Today we will learn General English of Standard 6. Today we will learn lesson number 41, the conjunction. First, we need to understand what is the conjunction. A word which joins two or more sentences or words is called a conjunction. Now, look at the picture here. Supply suitable words to the blank from the bracket given below. Look at the picture carefully and complete the sentences. Rajendra dash Shailesh are good friends. What will come in dash? Use a suitable word and. Write down and in the blank. Dash their interests are different. What will come in dash? In the dash write down but. They may plan to go for a picnic dash may stay at home. Now tell what will come in dash? Yes, or. Write down or in the dash. Dash Rajendra dash Shailesh can live without each other. Now think what will come in the dash. In first dash neither and in second dash nor, and do complete the blanks. Now next, a conjunction which joins together two clauses, sentences or words of equal status or rank is called a coordinating conjunctions. There are two types of conjunction. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, subordinating conjunction. It is coordinating conjunction. Here are some examples of coordinating conjunction. And, but, for, or, nor, also, either, or, neither, nor. Therefore, so, for, never, these, whereas, both, and, not only but also, as well as, etc. These are the examples of coordinating conjunction. Now next, subordinating conjunction. A conjunction which joins or subordinate clause to the main clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Some subordinating conjunctions are as follows. After, because, if, that, though, although, till, before, unless, when, while, then, as, if, however, in order that, since, as long as, until, etc. These are the example of subordinating conjunctions. Now, conjunctions can be classified into correlative conjunctions. Number 1, either the captain or the vice captain will go for the show. In number 2, neither the captain nor the vice captain will receive the guest. Number 3, Raju not only fought the mob but also saved the old man's life. The underlined conjunction always work in pair. These are the correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions that work in pair are called correlative conjunctions. Most common correlative conjunctions are either or. These are the pair of conjunctions. Either or, neither nor, though, yet, both and, such that, as so that, scarcely, when, not only, but also, no sooner than. Now next, compound conjunction. Number 1, he sings as if he is Kishore Kumar. Number 2, there was silence as soon as the principal entered the auditorium. The underlined conjunctions are compound words. Conjunctions that are found in compound expressions are called compound conjunction. The most common compound conjunctions are in order, that, on condition that, even if, so that, provided that, as though, as much as well as soon as if, etc. These are the most common compound conjunction. Now complete the exercise. I will send the PDF. Write in good handwriting. Do complete your all work in good handwriting with the ink pen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Be safe and have a great day.